Works, works, works. 100%.
So I'm done with my workout, and here is a quick honest review on Saffola Fittify Slim Meal Shake. High protein slim shake. High protein slim meal shake. Yes, that's what it's called. So quickly talking about it, how I stumbled upon this product and this particular brand, Saffola. I know we have this brand association of Saffola with cooking, oily food and everything, and completely changing Saffola's brand into a fit drink does not add up. I know that. But yeah, so I was wanting to reduce a little weight around my wedding, and I thought why not start working out. So I am not a workout person, but yes, 20 minutes workout is what I was aiming for to reduce a little extra kgs. That's when a friend recommended that I should take some protein shake. I was like, okay, why not? And so I went to Amazon, and oh wow, okay, there was a hell lot of brands. How do you know which one to buy? And suddenly I just felt like scrolling down through all the brands, and I was like, okay, there it is, something that I know. Saffola, mom uses it. Yeah. And what really caught my eyes is the lose up to 75 grams per day and 4 kgs by 2 months. That's what they promise, as you can see. And I was like, okay, I like challenges, and I like something that is really promising. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. But this is not the only thing that I did. Honestly, I would take 2 scoops of it in the morning with milk. I mean, you're supposed to have it with water or milk, or you know, some water, some milk, but I like milk. People don't like milk, but I like the milk. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna use it like a proper milkshake. And I was like, okay, cool, I'll use it for my breakfast instead of having some oily breakfast. I thought, you know, why not have this breakfast? And if it's a really tasty breakfast, I would rather have the breakfast. Whoa, I know, coming from a person who is looking to reduce weight and wanting to be slim is not supposed to have all the kind of yummy food. But honestly, throughout my journey and my weight loss, I had a lot of yummy food. I did not give up on food. So if I'm having yummy food in the afternoon and at night, I would prefer having the slim milk in the morning. Or if I'm having a really good paratha, then I'm like, okay, morning parathas are important. So I will be like, okay, dinner skip. So yeah, that's how my journey with Saffola went. And I would also work out, so it won't really help you if you only have the slim milk. Come on, it's a protein, it's an intake, you gotta use it in your body. So yeah, I think 7,000 steps is what I did in the initial days. 7,000 steps a day. I think that is the amount of steps that you should take to be fit in life. But 10,000 steps is what is ideal for weight loss. But yeah, I did somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000. I did not stress myself, like I told you. It was my wedding. I'm not gonna stress out. So yeah, and apart from that, I did 20 minutes workout. Maybe if I'm doing 7,000 steps today, I would do 20 minutes workout tomorrow. And not a very vigorous workout, again, a very basic beginner level workout videos that I came across while I was doing this research on sustainable weight loss. And I can actually make another video on the kind of workouts that I did that really helped me flatten my tummy. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there you go. It's there, I'm there. So yeah, so 20 minutes workout videos is what I did, and there are multiple good workout buddies that you can make online, I mean on YouTube, and really discuss your fitness story with them. And these are beginners workout, to be very honest, so you really do not have to be scared of the intensity of workout and do it 1 or 2 days and be like, okay, I'm done, I can't do this. But no, for me it worked out because it was a low intensity workout that I did, and I did it consistently. So consistency is the key, like everybody tells, it's like a mama thing. But yeah, that is the fact that you have to be consistent. And to my surprise, it was a big surprise. 2 months down the line, I really lost 4 kgs. Exactly what it says. 4 kgs is what I lost. So yeah, that was the journey, and it really was a sustainable weight loss. That's why I did not gain up right after I left it. I left it for a month because it's my wedding and I had to eat all the yummy food, talk to a lot of people, and I forgot about every workout and everything. I was completely lost in my wedding. 2 months down the line, and I really thought that, oh my god, I must have gained a lot of weight. But to my surprise, I did not gain even a bit. Yes, so it was really happy to see the sustainable weight loss that you do, rather than doing a quick intermittent fast for like 5 days or some days, and later on you get to know that it's quite a lot of weight gain after a week or so. So yeah, that was me, and that was my honest review on Saffola Fittify, and this is the 4th bottle that I'm having, and yeah, I think I've lost quite a lot of weight by now, and I think I'm also ready to go to the gym. I think I will not be shy anymore to go to the gym and really work out, because now I feel I'm fit enough to and confident enough after working out at home that I can actually go to the gym. That was my honest review on Saffola Fittify. Let me know if you have any more questions. Your gym trainer might tell you better brands, but an amateur like me who is more associated with the brand, and I thought, yeah, why not, and yeah, this worked for me. And let me know if you have tried it and it worked for you, and if there is anything else that you want me to add on this list, and if you want to recommend me something that could help me out as well. I'm very much happy and open to your suggestions on it. Let me know, and it was really nice to see you. That's my niece, and we are here to say bye. Come, Anai, to say bye.